Hello everyone, hi Pisces, welcome back to our channel. So today I am going to do weekly love reading for January 2021. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So this is general. So let's see Pisces, what's going on and what are the messages for you. Water sign, Pisces. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest, and energy could be vice versa. Wow, you are in magician state. You are, I think you are manifesting something new in your life. You are manifesting love or career and money, everything in your life. You are in this energy now. But what happened in past? Let's see. So Nine of Swords, Seven of Cups, and Nine of Pentacles. I think you are in recent past you are feeling sad for something which had happened in your life. Nine of Swords energy. Maybe you are thinking someone about a lot, especially at when you're thinking about them night times. Yeah, you are not sleeping well when you are thinking about them. Definitely there is some depression and there is some anxiety energy. You are fantasizing about someone a lot because Seven of Cups with Nine of Swords. Definitely you are missing someone, Pisces. Yeah, I think you overcome that pain and now you become like, and Nine of Pentacles. I think uh, to forget them, you are working more and you are concentrating on your career because you are missing someone. Definitely there is a lot of confusion and a lot of fantasizing about someone. Yeah, you are feeling very low in recent past. But what's going on right now? Yeah, I think someone is coming in your way. Someone is very passionate about you. Knight of Wands is here and some communication also. Yeah, you are getting success in your career. Six of Wands, you are getting recognition for what you are doing in your career. Six of Wands and Page of Wands and Knight of Wands. I think your person involved in this connection could be fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth energy, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio could be also. So definitely someone is coming in your life. Yeah, if it is someone, for some it could be new person also. Definitely there is a lot of passion involved. I think in your career you are doing your work with a lot of passion and you are getting success and you are getting recognition too, because Six of Wands with the Knight of Wands and Page of Wands. I think the person involved in this connection could be younger than you. Maybe one person in this connection could be very good looking. So in near future, King of Pentacles, the Fool, and Wheel of Fortune, things are turning out in your favor. Then the Fool, brand new beginnings. I think you want brand new beginnings with your person. And King of Pentacles, I think you will get financial stability, and maybe you are investing your money in some other businesses. Definitely King of Pentacles, you are taking care of your finances and careers. And the Fool with Wheel of Fortune, definitely if you want new beginnings, definitely there is reconciliation, new beginnings are coming and you are going with the flow. This is very good energy for you, Pisces. And yes, with these two cards, definitely things are turning out in your favor. And the Wheel of Fortune is, yeah, this is the upcoming time is very good for you because you will get financial stability and you are going with the flow. And things are turning out in your favor. I think someone, if you are in the separation, someone is coming back for reconciliation, what I'm seeing here. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity what's going on, Pisces. First we will see your person current feelings. I think you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Nine of Wands with Two of Pentacles. I think your person right now guarded up. I think you are in separation maybe. Maybe you are in no contact for some. If you are in contact, I think there is no much talking going between both of you. Yeah, Nine of Wands. I think your person loves you, there is no doubt, but they're right now they're guarded up because Two of Pentacles, they're juggling. Definitely they're juggling between their head, their heart over head. Okay, yeah. Definitely they, your person right now juggling. Yeah, they want this celebration with you. Definitely there is love between both of you, but right now your person, Nine of Wands energy, they guarded up because they are not sure what to do. Yeah, so let's see the near future actions towards you. I think your person may be juggling between their career and you. Could be for some, it could be third party situation also. Very few. Near future actions. Yeah, your person definitely at some crossroads. I think they stand by their power, Queen of Wands, and I think your person may be Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, fire sign. Two of Swords, definitely they don't know which decision they have to make if you are in separation, because Two of Swords, but some communication. I think you will receive some message or call from your person, or you are expecting a call or message from your person. Princess of Pentacles, definitely some apology or message like that. If you did something wrong to your person, I think you want to send some apology message. Maybe your person expecting some message or call from you, Pisces. Take what is right and leave the rest, because you know the situation very well more than me. But definitely there are some crossroads because Two of Swords, yeah, even though they have love for you, they don't know because they don't know which action they have to take, because they are at some crossroads. Yeah, and they are also very strong personality, and your person also very strong. They also stand by their power. I think you both are very strong couple, what I'm saying here. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Lot of cards and the outcome. Here, King of Wands. It's okay. Yeah, I think your person feeling stuck. Yeah, they turned their backs from you. Maybe this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries, or different states. Definitely, they are stuck right now. And Three of Wands. Maybe they are waiting for you to take first move towards them. Yeah, I think you are going to send some message apology to your person, what I'm saying here, but definitely some apology between both of you, some message. And on Seven of Pentacle, I think you want to invest in this connection. I think you are also waiting for your person, Pisces, Seven of Pentacles, or your person may be invested a lot in this connection. They are waiting for you. Yeah, they are waiting for your message. I think you both are waiting for each other, what I'm seeing. But I think one person stuck. I think it's your person, definitely, because they don't know which decision they have to make. Yeah, they're waiting for you to make a move towards them. Yeah, they're stuck right now. Maybe they walked away from you. Yeah, I think some communication is going to be happen between both of you in near future, Pisces. So let's see your overall energy for the week. King of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Swords. Yeah, they want to rush towards you, but they are coming back with slow energy, stable offer. They are very sincere. And Two of Wands, yeah, you are thinking about them a lot. Yeah. And Queen of Pentacles. I think your person may be working on their career and finances, and maybe you are also working towards your goals, career and finances. But you are also thinking about them a lot. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. King of Pentacles, Six of Wands, Eight of Wands, Queen of Swords. I think your person very straightforward in nature. They're very honest. They always speak truth. And Eight of Wands, communication. Definitely there is some back and forth communication is going to be happen between both of you guys. Six of Wands. Yeah, your person achieving some success in their life, financial, in career success, and they want to success in this relationship also. Yeah, King of Pentacles. I think they are always there for you for this connection, and this time also they're ready to offer stability to this connection. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. fire energy. So let's see message from Moon Oracle deck for you Pisces. A time for healing. Yeah, it is the time for you healing, Pisces. If you are missing your person, or if you are undergoing any trauma or whatever, definitely it is the time for healing. Yeah, so this is the reading for you Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.